Hey, young crypto world, the world is yours. Back to passive income for life. I had a few of my subscribers reach out to me and tell me that Kucoin was no longer taking UST deposits. I had a look for myself and I was able to determine that between October 1st and let's say the 14th, Kucoin was not accepting UST deposits. So I reached out to them and this is what they told me. Sorry for the inconvenience caused. The Terra blockchain is unavailable now. There's no ETA yet currently. Related follow-ups to this subject will be announced separately as soon as possible. But as of the 14th, UST is now available and you can make your deposits here, which is awesome. Makes it easier for us. But in between October 1st and the 14th, I did come up with two other ways to be able to move your UST around so you didn't have it on Anchor Protocol only. So if you decided you want to take it off Anchor Protocol, you will be able to move it off. Now, I will say this. During the October 1st through the 14th, Kucoin was allowing you to use the ERC20 network or blockchain, Ether blockchain, in order to move your UST around. No one wants to use that. It is extremely high. The fees are ridiculous. So we're going to stick with Terra. And that's where we are. And we're really happy that Kucoin is here. So I'm going to give you those other two ways. If you stick around, I'm going to show you those other two ways to move it off just in case Kucoin pulls this again or something goes down with the network. You have some alternatives. Stay tuned. So at this point, if you have Anchor, you should have downloaded the TerraStation, and I would recommend doing this on a desktop. You don't want to do this on the phone. I've never done it on the phone, so I have no idea what it looks like. But we're doing this on a desktop. We have UST that we brought over from the Anchor protocol, and we just brought it over. And we took that Anchor protocol, and we decided that we were going to do a swap. So you see here that I went from UST and I also have some Luna here. I sent about $6 over. So I'm going to walk you through what you would need to do. This is your TerraStation. Once it's up, you have your dashboard, you have your wallet. I'm showing you my wallet right now. We're going to hop over to swap. It's loading up. So if you look down here in swap, it's going to give you an option. Select the coin. Since we have some Luna in our wallet, we have UST, we're going to select UST because when we send our funds or that AUST, A as in Apple, UST, out from the Anchor protocol, it's going to become UST. So we'll have UST in our wallet. We'll take that UST in the wallet. We got 41 here. And let's say we wanted to send over $6 like we did before. What we would do is come here and we would select the coin and we would select Luna. Give it a second. It's going to show us how that converts over. One Luna is $37.51. So remember now, we're in swap right now. So now if I want to send that $6 and I have 41 UST over the Luna, I will press next. It's going to ask, it's going to say final amount you see may vary. And then I will go in here and I will put in my trusty password. So there we go. It's broadcasting the transaction. It's queued right now. Let's see how long that takes. Now, mind you, it didn't take long at all, maybe 3 or 4 seconds. I sent over $6, 0% slippage. You gotta love this Luna Terra network. So now let's go back over to my wallet. In my wallet, remember I had $6 when I first started. I actually have $13 and I just sent over $6 extra. It's like I actually gained $1 by sending it over and I have Luna. As we already know, Luna is accepted in a lot of different exchanges. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to show you all the different exchanges that accept Luna. Now here's CoinMarketCap. We have CoinMarketCap and I pulled up Luna so we can have a look. Rank number 12. So this is pretty much how it's going to look. Now what I'm doing this for is that we're going to have some new people that don't understand how to be able to look up coins and determine what markets they're on, or what exchanges or dexes, where they're at, where they can go and they can trade, places that they can go and trade, the different platforms they are. This is something for some reason that most people miss. So bear with me. If you know this already, be patient. I'm going to be short with this. Overview is what is going to be the default view. So you'll come over and you'll see Terra Luna is what I pulled up here. And they're going to show you over the day what Terra Luna has, how it's been trending over the day. We're going to click Market. Market is going to pull up all the different exchanges, indexes, different platforms that you can use in order to trade your Luna. So it should never be a question of where can I go and I can find trading pairs for this particular currency or this particular coin. There shouldn't be no doubt. So now let's take a look. We have Terra. Within the Terra system, we have UST. So if we go and we look at UST and we pull that up, which is Terra USD, as in David. If we pull that up, we'll start to see here that there, once again, a default. So overview, we click market, and now we're going to have where Kucoin pops up, and we know that we can use Kucoin, and I've already explained that Kucoin is viable at this point. You have Coinbase Exchange. Now Coinbase Exchange, they're only accepting ERC 20 tokens. So if you don't have an ERC, which is extremely high, you can't participate in the Coinbase Exchange because that's only for ERC, and I don't like that, and that's one of the main reasons why I did a video earlier about why you don't want to buy UST on Coinbase. All right, so there are another options here. You have UniSwap as a DEX. So here in the US, we have Kucoin, and then we have Gate.io. So those are the two places, unless you want to go to UniSwap, which is nothing wrong with that, to be able to trade that coin, or at least get that coin into an exchange that you can pair it up with another coin, or either another stable coin, and you can off-ramp that to fiat if that's what you wish, or either trade it into another coin. So that's how you would look that up. If you found this information useful, like and subscribe. If not, let me know why in the comment area. Other than that, invest wisely. I'll catch you on the next episode.